When you hold cryptocurrency on an exchange, you don't actually own it. You simply hold an IOU from a centralized company, which means they control the underlying assets. If that exchange gets hacked, or if they file for bankruptcy, your crypto can disappear in the blink of an eye. $100 or $100,000 can dissolve instantly. To take back complete ownership of your funds, you need to create a personal, self-custody software crypto wallet. The entire process takes only a few minutes. You just need a web browser, a physical pen, and a sheet of paper. Setting up this wallet is the precise moment you stop being a dependent client and become the true, independent owner of your digital wealth. Before we download anything, we need to locate the assets. Your crypto isn't stored inside the software wallet itself. It lives entirely on the blockchain. A wallet stores two keys. First, your public key. Treat this like a PayPal username. It's safe to share, so you can receive money. Second, your private key. This master password is the sole mechanism required to authorize an outbound transfer. If another person acquires your private key, they gain total access to your account. You must always keep it completely hidden. A software wallet is simply an application designed to manage these two cryptographic keys securely. Step 1. Navigate to the official website for your chosen wallet, like Trust Wallet, and install the extension to your web browser. When you open the application, ignore the import options and click the button to create a brand new wallet. You will immediately be prompted to create a strong local password. This password only protects the specific device you are using right now. It does not exist on a central server. Because of that, there is no forgot password link. There is no customer support you can call to regain access if you lock yourself out. The absolute absence of a password reset mechanism is the wallet's strongest defense. It strictly bars anyone from attempting unauthorized remote access to your software. Next, the app will generate your secret recovery phrase. The software automatically converts your master private key into a readable format of 12 or 24 words. You must physically write these words down. Record them from left to right in exact chronological order. Do not capture this phrase digitally. No local notes applications, and absolutely no screenshots. If your phone uploads a screenshot to a cloud service, a remote hacker can extract that image and drain your account. A piece of paper in an at-home safe works well. To eliminate the risk of fire or flood damage, many users engrave their phrase into a solid stainless steel seed plate. To verify you recorded the phrase correctly, the app will test you. Select each word from the list and place them into the correct sequence. Treat this physical string of words as the ultimate fail-safe for your portfolio. If you lose your device or forget your local password, and you do not have this physical backup, your digital wealth is permanently destroyed. Once you verify the phrase, your setup is complete. You now have full access to your private dashboard. To move your crypto off an exchange, click the Receive button in your new wallet, choose your specific cryptocurrency, and copy the public address. This animation illustrates the golden rule of blockchain transfers. Always send a microscopic test transaction first. Sending the bare minimum confirms the connection is correct. Blockchain transactions can never be reversed, so if you paste the wrong address or send data to an incompatible network, the money is gone. By learning to manage your own keys and execute careful test transfers, you eliminate institutional risk. You now have total financial autonomy.